What is this thing?
It's a truck.
I know it's a truck. It looks like a moving truck.
Yeah, it's for the furniture store.
Oh.
I gotta fix a liftgate on it. The switch is bad, and then I got a bunch of wheels piled on the back of it too. We gotta unload.
Let's see what you got in the back of this thing.
Baby Supras, Silica Supras, whatever you call them.
You know, when you say baby Supras, I'm thinking like actual cars, not wheels.
Oh, yeah.
Disappointment.
They're cool. They're for the track.
Drift spares.
Yeah, pretty much. Sacrificial wheels.
Cool.
So let's pull this thing around.
Natural, folks. Ride is over, folks.
Switch and the nectar.
Sweet nectar of the gods. Red Bull, if you would like to sponsor us, please leave a comment below or DM this guy in his Instagram page at SuperFreeStyle. Thank you. Oh, on a side note, if you'd like to sponsor me, Monster Energy Drinks. So the liftgate works, but the switch doesn't work?
The switch itself is just wore out. It'll go up, which is all the way up.
Right.
It's going to burn the pump all the way like that. But
The down.
switch it on. That's why it's wore out from kids just messing with it in the parking lot.
Snot-nosed kids.
So I'm going to leave this one outside as a dummy switch. And we're hiding this one inside, the one that actually works, so they can do whatever they want to right there.
Yes, you heard it, folks. That's parenting tips with Jeff Perkins here on the SuperFreeStyle Show.
All this other stuff too quick. This I'll just have to cut it on both sides just to cut it down. They stopped carrying my favorite paint pen at the welding shop, so this is second choice. Let's go back over to the truck, see how long we're going to cut it this way, because I'm just going to screw it between two braces in there. I need to get the length over there. That would be the time to use that nice bandsaw we were talking about if I actually had one. So I think we're getting closer to that.
So again, if you'd like to sponsor this, please leave a comment below or hit Jeff up in his Instagram DMs.
This whole arrangement is super professional, if you'll notice. I actually have a nice vise over there. It's just blocked in by the car. If it weren't for the storms coming in tomorrow, I'd roll it out, but we still got to finish that. I don't feel like pushing it back. Saying we. And it's always me doing the work.
Because you don't ask.
Oh, that's all it takes?
Well, I mean, it's like, I would have to stop recording. So I am doing work too.
Yeah, I know. I'm just talking shit.
See, I got to hold this camera here and look pretty while Jeff's back there looking pretty and doing like the more intensive labor stuff.
This clip would be better if you were like sitting in a lazy boy recliner in the driveway.
I'm kind of lazying it up on this stool.
Really, you don't take the little cover off. It's really dangerous to use them with no cover on them. You know, notice that I've got mine still here and intact.
He says this now after the S14 subframe video.
Very professional.
Oh, they do super weird. What the? What a cool, just sitting in the bushes.
You talking shit about my Grady intercooler?
That's a Grady?
Yeah. It's still good.
Just sitting in the bushes.
I got the piping too. Oh, it'll wash off.
This is how we make cages.
We're still collecting tools for that.
Yeah. At least he remembered him this time.
Yeah, it's COVID, man. Don't forget your PPE. take a moment of your time to thank one of my sponsors, Jacob Martin, for this fine grinder. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jacob.
Oh, really, it really has helped out a lot.
Oh, Jeff, that was so nice of you. Say that again.
I said IW Sir what is it?
Camelot.
I know, but that's not how they said it. How did they say
I dubbed thee Sir Knight of the Round Table.
Oh, yeah. The Knights of the Round Table?
The Knights of the Round Table!
We're Knights of the Round Table!
We should watch that movie. It's been a while. I love that movie.
Okay.
This clip is just for you, Brandon Ponder, because I know you love this Craftsman drill so much. He comes over here and busts out his Milwaukee Fuel, whatever it is, that I wish I had. Basically just going to use this as a marker to find out where my hole is going to be, because I don't have a pin or anything that'll fit down in that hole.
And the reveal is...
Now I just go over to the table.
It's a girl!
Ended up a little low on my original measurement, which I didn't really measure, but it's in the right place now.
Okay.
Factory Nissan screws. Toyota doesn't. Now if we can just slip this in here. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's in there good. Oh yeah, this can be perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Oh.
God damn it.
Alright, I think that's it.
That's not Tyler.
That's Joey and Matt. What's up, man? That's Tyler. That's a totally different car. That's my old car.
Oh, yeah! I just saw it's Z.
How's it going, man?
I'm Carl.
I'm Joey. Nice to meet you. What up,
What's up, Matt?
Don't worry about it. Dude, you got a loft up here? Can you put a bunk bed in here?
My time will come in tomorrow. My boats came in yesterday. How much years of collecting?
Yeah, this really is, dude. Some of the wheels y'all are handing up here are the original wheels I started drifting on. So does this seat remind you of your old car? These are Alright, so we got the liftgate fixed, as you can see. Tyler and Joey are helping me get that toolbox loaded up. We're going to go take it to the shop at the store, and real quick before it gets dark, hopefully we're going to try to fix the brake lights on this thing and maybe install a wideband. We're installing a wideband today? I hope so. Okay. Alright, Matt, open the trunk, get the wideband kit out. I need the
How much you selling this trim piece for?
Huh?
How much you selling this trim piece for?
I got no time for that. This ain't sales time.
I'm gonna get him while he's busy.
This ain't sales time. This man's already made $300 from that car. 380?
No. I got already picked up has been like 280, and then
And you've had it for less than 24 hours.
yeah, and that was just one person out of like 7 or 8 that are.
Look. The guy came here to buy one thing. He's like, oh, you got this? You got that?
Yeah, he was like, hey, you want to sell the bumper lights? And I'm like,
Sure.
yeah, but rather than just pull them off, I think I got another pair in the closet. And I did. Because I want to keep a spare pair anyway for me. And so I went and got them, and he was like, I'll take them. Hell yeah. And then he started asking more. He's like, I said, hey, I got my other motor over there, still have pieces. The only thing I sold was the coils. He's like, man, you got any more coils?
Good,
Yeah, I got a
bro.
box of them inside too. Get them back out. He's like, yeah, give them to me. So.
Just point to it. Say, that's what I just put in. You gotta remove that to get to the brake lights wires or something? The center boot?
There, and he's over there working on that. I'm trying to get the wire for the wideband.
Oh. Okay. Oh, so he's just replacing a brake light switch?
The brake light switch is on the pedal.
No, but that's what he's replacing.
The switch is fine. The rubber little pads that it pushes.
Oh.
He just put in a bolt, a 10 millimeter headed bolt.
I do the same thing to my S14.
Yeah. And you can buy that thing. They keep it in stock at Nissan, but it's just gonna rot again.
Yeah.
And it's a bitch to put in there too. It's so small you can't put your finger in there to hold it. And I don't want to ruin your original one. I'd rather use the one out of parts car. So, and yeah, we do have to cut the bottom so the wires have room to come in. So it doesn't matter how far I cut it really like this.
It's still a school car?
Sheetrock saw works pretty good for that. Hey look, a Milwaukee sheetrock saw. I have something that's not Bobo.
This week's Tech Tips brought to you by Milwaukee. When you need to cut plastic, use a drywall saw.
We do need to blast on the road real quick and let me look at the AFRs before you leave with it. You don't enjoy here.
Jeff, I think there's a bolt moving.
Yeah, that's an M6. 1.25.
Comes from the factory like that.
So Jeff, what are we doing right now?
Apparently there's a hailstorm like 20 miles that way. It's not going to pass through here, but there's some other storms that may spin off from it. So we're going to shuffle cars around and get some of these out from the yard and pack them in the shop. So just in case.
Cool. It looks so badass with no door.
I don't really have a hood to tell how far I am.
I got you on the side. You're good.
Trey! Like a glove.
Good thing is we're test driving a car that was not previously broken. Brakes are funny. Here.
They're just letting you know they're there.
It's got like 206. Maybe Alright, let's watch it. Seems fun. Yeah, the air fuels are safe. That was my main concern.
Jeff Perkins, ladies and gentlemen, always clowning around. No, nothing serious about this guy. All right, Jeff, where are we headed now?
We're headed to the store to get the tire machine, move it back to the house finally.
All right.
Not the balancer, the mountain machine.
Then the reveal.
Did you get the Taco Bell?
No, we're gonna get that on the way back.
Going after.
Do you wanna pick us to pick you up something from somewhere?
Wrong way. Sorry.
Whoopsie.
Safe. Yeah. I'm like
Whoa.
snapping him and I'm standing there. And I'm looking down just like gazing as it happens. Alright. Come on, I'm waiting on you.
Big girls don't cry.
We good on the carpet?
Oh yeah.
They got a real suspicious ringleader. He's a real fat guy. He ain't doing nothing.
Holding some sort of object.
Maybe a gun. Oh Lord.
He's holding him at gunpoint.
Drop the weapon, officer. What weapon? My whole body is a weapon if I sit on you. Even in this COVID-19 panic, we can cut jokes. Feel confident there, bub?
Just don't want to hurt Jeff's furniture. Man, I used a Healy back in the day. This is nothing.
So, Jeff, how long you been using this tire machine?
I don't know, maybe at least 4 years, maybe 5 years.
Okay. You mostly just do your track tires and occasionally at some other customers?
Recently it's been street cars too for other people, but for a while it was just mine. So this was a lot cheaper than paying. Like I paid like $400 for it off of Craigslist and put a $32 part on it. And other than that, like the hoses are bad on tire machines, and so I just keep hose in case some blow out. But that's really the only thing. Like I had a hose blowout earlier is what I was saying that. This one here, I changed it. But it really takes like 2 minutes to swap them out. It's not a big deal.
If y'all need me to do anything, I'll just say something.
You're good.
I'm gonna sit here and record, not get in the way.
Okay. Cool. That'll work or not.
I say it every time. He's got dad strength.
And I got grandpa strength.
Grandpa strength.
Oh, my back! My knees! It must be raining. All these poor youngins, my knees are hurting. It must be raining outside. What'd you find, Jeff?
I'm so glad that this is finally happening.
What?
I'm just tired of loading tires up. Have to get them all, like figure out which one to take to the track, load them in the truck, bring them up here, unload them, bring them back here, mount them all, take them back to the truck, take them, unload them back to the house again, and get everything situated. Or if I'm loading up like a day before the track, they'll just go straight on the truck from here. But like, man, it's gonna be so nice to be at the house with the tire machine right there. Mount them, not have to move them around 15 times. Much excited. When I put this tire machine here like 4 years ago, I was dreaming of this day.
That's how he gets the dad's dream.
Say that all over again. I just started recording. Do that all over again. Do it.
That was a one-time thing.
Now you know how Jeff feels every time. Just like, what do you mean do it again? Whoa, hitting the shit crank.
Scrap metal.
From episode 2 or 3.
There's 2 doors. But I don't think that we're going to get in it without getting the second.
Definitely with that other piece right there. And cue time lapse. Push up. Yeah. Okay. So, you want something from Taco Bell? Alright, so me and Tyler are gonna go get Taco Bell. Jeff's gonna go home with the truck. You wanna take the camera?
And he's going to have it all unloaded when we get back.
No, but take it with you so when you get there.
Oh no, I'm going to wait.
Okay.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I believe. Okay. Okay, I reloaded.
What is that off of?
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Just did make it. Nice. So tomorrow, I'm going to like reorganize all that. Now that I have that car, I'm not going to use that engine.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you for a watch. Please do a like.
And if you have a comment, leave it below. It's negative.
If it's nice, we don't want to hear it.
Yeah. If it's nice, we don't want to hear it.
I said it wrong. He was so serious. If it's nice, we don't want to hear it.
Woo. All right. Cut.